In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Koyfin Fixed Income. Whether you're tracking interest rate trends, comparing countries, or just trying to understand what the bond market is signaling, this quick walkthrough will help you get oriented and make sense of the data you'll see. First, start by logging in to Koyfin. Having an account gets you into the platform's full interface, where all the fixed income tools live. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. That's your main navigation hub. Open market dashboards from there. If you don't immediately see what you need, use the search bar at the top to find dashboards like global yields, yield curves, or anything with similar wording related to fixed income. The search is forgiving, so even a partial phrase like yields will surface the right sections. Next, choose a dashboard that includes yield curves, bond yields, or fixed income factors. These dashboards are pre-built to highlight the most important bond market views without requiring you to assemble them yourself. Yield curves typically show the relationship between interest rates and maturities. Bond yields focus on current government benchmark rates. Fixed income factors may summarize drivers like term structure or other metrics relevant to rates. Once the dashboard loads, you'll see government yields by country and maturity presented both in a table and a graph. The table gives you a structured look at each maturity point, such as short-term bills through long-dated bonds, so you can quickly scan levels and spot changes. The graph, usually a yield curve or a set of country curves, lets you visualize the shape across maturities. An upward-sloping curve often reflects higher yields for longer maturities, consistent with normal growth and inflation expectations. A flatter or inverted curve, where shorter maturities yield the same or more than longer ones, can hint at tightening financial conditions or shifting policy expectations. Take a moment to compare countries side by side. This can reveal how monetary policy, inflation, and growth outlooks differ across regions. Higher yields can mean tighter policy or greater perceived risk, while lower yields might reflect safe haven demand or softer growth prospects. Pay attention to movements across the curve, not just a single point. Parallel shifts suggest broad rate changes, while steepening or flattening can indicate evolving market narratives. That's all you need to get started. Log in, open market dashboards, or search for global yields or yield curves. Pick a fixed income-focused dashboard and read the tables and charts to understand government yields by country and maturity. With this foundation, you'll be able to interpret the fixed income landscape quickly and confidently.